Matay.
Walang timer.
Sira pa ang cellphone.
Kasi timer. Airplane mo muna nga yan. Bukas. First game sa amin na fourth quarter. Hindi na tuloy yung ulan. Tapos second game kami.
Last 2 minutes.
Pag magbawagin ka sa referee, 15 o 20 seconds. Ibig sabihin nun, start mo. Pag nag-go na yung committee, go na din sila. Tandaan mo, ang susundin nila, committee, pag nagpasa.
Talang, walang mata.
Kaya matay mo,
1 minute and 15 seconds.
nakaka-time out na. Cedric,
Last 1 minute.
ba't ka?
Good game. Bagay Santos sa iyo.
Ayun pala ko yung sila daw kasi pwede yata ng video.
Bukas.
Siya dyan na tol. Na.
Boy!
Oy, alis ka dyan. Mag-i-start na.
Lakas!
Hindi mo pag wala. Ikaw mag-ano? Sunod mo lang yung video.
Kunwari, pumunta doon yung ball.
Oo.
Gano'n
Hindi,
ka video na yun?
hindi. Isang dapat tatlo. Tatlo. Eh, wala nang guardian naman eh. Kayo ba? Alim? Eh, wala nang... Hey, Jay. Tulong din. Palitan na, sapsapin na. Asan may pangipit dito, bro?
We are here to have a first match between Willie the James versus Team Akla. First card na magkabilang team. Binabati ko nga pala Boboy Sinyo. Magandang gabi sa iyo, boss.
So, upo ka dito, tapos sabay mo sa
Magapunti sa iyo.
upo ka sa akin. Gagawin mo lang. Baka mali.
Ba, alis ka ba?
Ikaw na lang.
Second game.
Gusto mo i-follow. Live ba yan? Live. Uy, live yan.
Hindi, video lang yan. Ito ka sa akin. Please, sama mo. Bulag tayo.
Ito na pala ako. Ikaw mag-video. Ikaw ka sa akin. Ikaw mag-video.
Wala, formal lang. Formal tayo, boss. Formal lang, ha? Okay na tayo.
Check.
Hindi, okay na. Ball to, man. Video, ball to, bilisan. Basta susunod mo lang. Sunod na yung
Jumble
bola.
between Khalid and Jonicio.
Din bench nila.
Ball possession goes to
Ikaw mo lang kasi.
Guys.
Samba. Ganyan lang, ganyan lang. Basta tutok mo na lang. Stay na yan, bitaw na yan. Bitaw mo na. Ganyan lang.
rebound by Suerte Felipe.
Ah.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 2 points by Khalid.
Sino ka sis? Ops.
15 to shoot. Same ball. Shot clock at 7 seconds. 7 to shoot. 7. 5 to shoot.
Uli. Uy! Galing ah.
2 points by Domingo.
Assist ni marami.
2 points by Chris Santos. Eight minutes and 50 seconds. 15 to shoot. Still by
Sino eh?
Villar.
Gulon.
Gagi ka. Nagulan na.
There's a whistle.
11. Hindi yung isa.
Foul jersey number 11.
Sino doon?
Narciso. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Eugene Villar.
Ano oras game nyo ay Jow?
Ano, mabot pa.
Sinabutan na naman kayo ano?
Ng ano.
Walang po, 5 pesos po pera.
Mulan ba naman?
Second shot is good.
Pabir parang dito.
Gogi ko. Semang.
Ikaw nga muna magligo. Tumayo ka lang.
15 to shoot.
Ito lang ang kalaneta.
Shot block by Dionisio. Same ball. Shot clock at 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Shot block by Dionisio. Rebound by Domingo. Rebound by Makabe. Out of bounds. Black ball. Exactly 7 minutes. Two points by Bartolo.
Ayun lang. Stay lang. Stay
15 to shoot.
lang. Sakop na yung lahat.
10 to shoot. Rebound by Baluyot. Still by Galit. Rebound by Bartolo.
Stay mo lang yun. Stay mo lang.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound by Baluyot. Ira Baluyot. To shoot. 3. Jersey number 24, Marabe. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. And there's a whistle. Foul in jersey number 4, Suerte Felipe.
Personal foul, second team foul.
First personal foul.
Second.
Second team foul. Shot clock at 19 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Same ball, shot clock resets at 14 seconds. Shot clock at 14 seconds. There's a whistle. Foul jersey number 11, Narciso. Second personal foul, 13 foul. 2 free throws for jersey number 1, Bartolo. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Rebound by Galit. Fifteen to shoot. 3! Jersey number 4, Suerte Felipe. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. There's a whistle. Blocking foul, jersey number 4, Suerte Felipe. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Substitution.
Game mo po sa akin nang madali mo abot.
Sige, kaya naman yan.
Kaya ko. Kaya
Hindi
ko.
may rapan.
Kaya na. Malug na yung video. Sensya na po.
Shot clock 21 seconds. Fifteen to shoot. Last 5 minutes. 10 to shoot. Still by Santos.
James, ikaw kita, James!
Santos yun.
Hindi 76 yan.
15 to shoot.
Pasok ko yan.
2 points by jersey number 76, Santos.
Huwag lang ganyan bro. Sige. Basta siniklis lang tayo.
Mga login, Jokas. Stay mo na dyan.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Bag.
Shot clock resets. 2 points by Jodicio. Last 4 minutes.
Paano si Boss? Napakagayon eh.
Sige, stay mo na dyan, Ben.
15 to shoot. Rebound.
Stay mo lang.
Black ball.
Tumayo ko na nga lang.
To shoot.
Papakita mo yung corner.
Rebound by Lucy.
Yan.
Rebound by Dionisio. Rebound by Lucy. Three minutes and 10 seconds. 2 points by Narciso.
Reserve timeout po.
Reserve timeout. Last 3 minutes. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 2 points by Kabiga. Ay, Dionisio. Sorry. Sana pinabati ko nga pala si Jocas Sorio. Nagabi.
Ayan, sama mo na yung corner.
15 to shoot.
Okay na yan. Sama mo na yung corner. Basta kita na yun.
10 to shoot. Rebound by Villar.
Stop.
Rebound by Baluyot. Baluyot. 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Pag na-dead ball lang.
10 to shoot. There's a whistle. Timeout. Team Winnipeg James. Foul on jersey number. Shot clock 14 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Rebound by Dionisio. 2 points by Dionisio, assisted by Cantos. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 2 points by Santos. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Fifteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. Offensive foul
Bagsak.
on jersey number 10, James Cabigao. First personal foul, first team foul.
Stop. Bitaw mo na. Ako na yan.
15 to shoot. 2 points by Gali.
Assisted by 76.
Last 1 minute. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Eugene Villar. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. 15 to shoot. 2 points by Husi. 45 seconds. 30 seconds. 15 to shoot.
25 seconds.
10 to shoot. 20 seconds. Still by Lucy. 15 seconds. Shot clock and stop. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Rebound by Dionisio. 0.6 second. 0.6. 0.6.
Buzzer na lang po ang ating maririnig mga kaibigan.
Big shout out. Mamaya na. Wala ko pa kayo sa inyo. End of the first quarter. Our score is
20-17.
Kanino ball?
20 to 17. Up by 3 by your team. Akla.
Hindi tayo rap natapos. 18 pa lang. Kinakaso si ano, sa ilalim. Si Galit na kasi ano. Galit. Tapos sa ilalim. Yung lumusot sa dalawa.
Ang lamig-lamig.
Sige, mali daw kasi.
Ah,
Beijing Fly Marcelino. Beijing Fly Marcelino.
rap kanino ball ah?
White ball.
White ball.
Sabihin mo Eric dito diretso dyan. Go. Ano gagawin ka?
Second quarter.
Day, dali mo dito yung jersey ko sa court. Pagka ako nakuha mo na.
Rebound by Bartolo.
Hop.
15 to shoot. Rebound by Santos. Days Santos. Miscommunication. White ball.
20-17.
22-17. Up by 5 by your team. Akla. Fifteen to shoot. Rebound by Villar. Eugene Villar. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Blocked by Villar. Rebound by Husi. Still by Domingo. Rebound by Cantos. Rebound ni Cantos. Cantos. Same ball. Shot clock resets at 14 seconds. Rebound by Husi.
Malupit mag-handle doon. Ang galing mo.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound by Junicio. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 4. Suerte Felipe.
Third personal foul, penalty. First penalty. Ay, first.
Third personal foul.
First team.
First team foul. Fifteen to shoot. Still by Jose. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 18. Domingo. First personal foul. First team foul. Exactly 8 minutes remaining. Two points by Santos. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 76. Santos. First personal foul. Second team foul. Two Britos for jersey number 1, Bartolo.
Ang lamig-lamig. Habang ako ay nagbibidyo. Wait,
Two Britos is good.
Wala na ba sila laro?
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound by Uzi. Out of bounds. Black ball. Foul on jersey number 24, Santos. Marabe.
sub daw, sub.
First personal foul on Marabe.
Time out.
Time out to Akula.
Kanino ba?
Marabe is first personal foul. 13 foul on Team Akla.
Pakita ka muna sa video. Ano ba yan? Jared! 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 Jared!
Ay, gago.
Jared!
Back to the ball game. Under 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Shot clock is 21 seconds.
Hindi, time out lang.
21 seconds to shoot. Fifteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. Traveling exactly 7 minutes.
Wala pa din. 10 lang. Kailangan 10 sa mas.
15 to shoot. Same ball. Shot clock at 12 seconds.
Mas ko yung RJ.
Rebound by Domingo. Eugene Villar. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Traveling violation. Same foot running.
Warning daw, 24.
Warning on jersey number 24, Makabe, for flopping.
Tanga, hindi ko rin yun. Warning na. Stress lang. Stress lang mo kung bakit. Ano?
2 points by Domingo. Still by Villar. Eugene Villar.
Ah.
6 minutes, 15 to shoot. Rebound by Umali. Rebound by Junicio. Eugene Villar.
29.
Ilang oras po? Ilang minutes?
15 to shoot. Rebound by Domingo.
Robin?
14 to shoot. Rebound by Santos.
Ligat.
Eh, mali ko doon sa matanda.
Nice D.
Sino ba yun? Narsisi.
So whistle. Substitution. Foul on jersey number 2. Christopher Santos. 4 minutes.
Yun ba? Hold on, number 2. Number 2. Hindi, Juicy. Ano ba?
11 ba?
11 Santos. First personal foul. 4th team foul. Rebound by Umali.
Parang nasa tabi ko lang. Isa.
2 points by Santos.
Bakit tayo number 76. Number 76 sa assessment of not call of the referee. Waring tayo 76.
Winding on jersey number 76 for excessive for a non-call.
Santos ba? 76.
Resentment for a non-call. Still by Uzi. Still by. Rebound by Uzi.
Set.
15 to shoot.
Pasok.
10 to shoot. Rebound by Judisio.
Pwede ka naman vlog ah.
Penalty.
Kaya mag-camera mo no?
Foul on jersey number 76. Santos.
Ikaw naman, Jokas.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
Kasi meron pa dalawang magkapares.
So, with the score, Eugene Villar.
30 lang.
Last 4 minutes. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rebound by Dionisio. 2 points by Dionisio. Fifteen to shoot. RJ Umali.
Reserve timeout.
Ay, saka kami timeout para sa second ano, no? First half na.
3 minutes. Double dribble. Timeout. Team winning the Jays. Our score is 33 to 28. Up by 5 by your team. Winning the Jays. Back to the point game.
Siyempre. Para maingay.
Under 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Still by Villar. Rebound by Dionisio. 2 points by Dionisio. Ten to shoot. Shot clock reset. Rebound by Bartolo. Rebound by Bartolo. 2 points by Bartolo. Nanonood yung anak. Last 2 minutes. Still by Domingo. Ayun na! What? Out of bounds. White ball. Kinula sa takbo. 1 minute and 49 seconds. 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Paalain mo itong may relo eh.
Out of bounds. Blank ball.
Mamaya na. Tama din. Hindi, nasalita na. Ako nga magkawin. Eto na.
Ilang araw lang. 15 to shoot, 1 minute and 30 seconds. 2 points by Dionisio.
Hindi, lahat.
2 points, RJ Umali. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 15 to shoot. Rebound by Narciso. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 31. Eugene Villar. His second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Santos.
Siyam lang lamang siyam.
Rebound by Bartolo, exactly 1 minute. Same ball. 1 minute exactly. Fifteen to shoot. 50 seconds. 2 points by Dionisio, assisted by Domingo. 30 seconds. Rebound by Umali. Still by Domingo. Still by Villar. Eugene Villar. 20 seconds. Shot clock is off. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Rebound by Umali. 5 seconds. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 11, Dionisio. First personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots for RJ Umali. .6 seconds. 4.6 seconds. 3 seconds. And that's the second quarter.
Hello, boss Bill. Third down first.
Nice score ba
Ano yung game ba tayo?
30. 43. Ay, pakita ko dito. 43.
Joga Surio.
Bim.
Mga si 7.
Yan, nasa isa pa si Jared.
Mga si 7. Nag-ano kami,
Makapit. Pero nga, papatay. Papatay, gamitin sa kanya.
Kaya ako magagamit eh.
Sira daw, sira. Oo. Sa akin na lang daw, pagkatapos ko sabi ni Jared. Video, mo to.
Malapit na, mga 6 minutes.
Oo, ganyan. Dapat time kami. Oo nga, bigay mo nga sa saan. Pagkatapos.
Sige boss.
Ala, no, serious.
15 to shoot. 2 points by Dionisio
Video, pagi ba?
from Cantos.
Video. Pangit. Grabe ka.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound by Bartolo. Steal by Umali. Rebound by Umali. Rebound by Umali. Rebound by Bartolo. Fifteen to shoot. Rebound by Villar. Shot clock resets. Steal by Abu. Rebound by Umali. Basket count for RJ Umali. Foul in jersey number 10. James Cabigao. His second personal foul, first team foul. Timeout. Winnie the James.
RJ! Number 4.
14.
14. Di, yung abo yung ano yun, 25. Hindi, dalawa na yung 14.
Dalawa yung Forrest ang swerte Felipe tsaka isang Umali.
Isa na yung abo! Ang pilido.
Ano to?
Huwag ka ngayon.
Abu Bakar.
ABU, BAKA.
Yung pinagdadyan mo.
Back to the ball game.
Tama, Rap. Tama, number 4 na.
Bakit? Sabihin mo, tat mo. Wala nga ulo. Hindi ko nga din alam eh.
Offensive foul. Jersey number 4, RJ Umali. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Yung kasama sa personal foul. Yung kasama sa team foul, di ba?
Kasama yun.
Kasama yun.
Oh, counted as personal foul yun.
Okay po.
Santos. To Bartolo. Rebound by Santos.
Sino yun? Sige, please. Sino ba yun?
Foul. Ano number yun?
31, 31.
Foul. 31.
Sino 11 yun?
Sub no. Sub. First personal foul. Ay, third personal foul. Second team foul.
Papakinggan lang yung sasabihin ng ano.
Wala, ay nililista ko ulit. Ano? 33. Nakasit isa. Sino?
Table.
Rate raw. Ayun nga, 33 nga.
Sino gago ng bola? Yun na. Kanino bola, rep?
White. Ay, ano?
White ball.
Hindi.
Gray,
Shot clock.
gray.
Gray ball.
Hangin.
Gray ball.
Shot clock daw. Shot clock.
24 seconds po, shot clock na. 6 seconds. Ilang ako yun?
Harapan mo, oy! Galit! Harapan mo!
Back ball.
Seconds.
6 seconds para tumatawid.
O, doon din na natin. Natin. Nice one.
Hindi na ako tawid. 6 seconds.
yung tayo, pare, rebound kami. Pare, rebound kami.
Ako po yung tatawag ng 8 seconds. Ako, referee. 8 seconds para makita yung bola. Pwede pumasar kayo. Dapat kami yung tatawag. Okay?
8 seconds para matawid yung bola sa front court. Hindi, video lang.
Vlogger?
Hindi, video lang nila.
3 seconds para makita yung bola. 3 seconds. Ready?
Matos, nagalit ng pamasahan. Check, still, number 76, nagaba.
One, two, three, four, five. 15 to shoot. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 10 to shoot. Rebound by. Jump ball. White ball. Seven minutes and 21 seconds.
Iba nyo kasi kabisado yung rolling, kaya ano, nalilito kayo.
Lai Marcelino.
15 to shoot.
Pinasa uli.
10 to shoot. Rebound by Bartolo. 7 minutes.
Santos.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound by O'Malley. Christopher Santos. Out of bounds, symbol, substitution. Domingo replacing Kabigao. Shot clock at 14 seconds. Ten to shoot. Rebound by Abu. 2 points by Santos.
Sino Santos yun? 76.
10 to shoot. 6 minutes. 5 to shoot.
Ganda.
2 points by Bartolo. Grabe, may inspiration si Coach Bartolo. Ang kanyang anak. 15 to shoot. Still by Domingo.
Lugar ka ako.
Rebound by Santos.
Sab.
Kuhanin ko na, kuhanin mo.
2 points by Abu. Man-to-man defense po sila.
Pupuntahin mamaya.
14 to shoot. Rebound by Santos. Rebound by Baluyot.
Diretso, kulang!
Madaretso, pinasay ka.
2 points by Santos. Fifteen to shoot. 2 points by Abu Bakar.
Dumating si Abu.
4 minutes and 30 seconds. Still by Abu. IJ Umali. Time out, Winnie the James. Under 4 minutes and 10 seconds. With the score 49-43. Up by 6 by your team.
Para sa'yo.
Back to the ball game. Under 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
Yan ito sa ako. Samahan kita.
Last 4 minutes. Rebound by Marabe. Continue to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Ay, may ano. May ginawa.
Shot clock reset. Rebound by Villar.
Nangalan ko Mac Jocas. Yung
Rebound by Umali. Fifteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound by Abu. Shot clock reset. Steal by Cantos. Steal by Roque. 2 points by Roque. Assisted by RJ Umali. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Steal by Marami. Rebound by Villar. Out of bounds, white ball.
Magi po ba?
Fifteen to shoot. 2 points by Abu Bakar. Assisted by jersey number 8, Roque.
sinugod sa kanto.
Rebound by
Symbol.
Simon. Shot lang at 14 seconds. Last 2 minutes. 10 to shoot. Basket count for jersey number 11, Jalisco. Assisted by Domingo. Basket count and the foul on jersey number 25. Abu Bakar. First personal foul, second team foul. Rebound by Roque. Fifteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. 2 points by Abu Bakar. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. Still by Umali. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 31. Eugene Villar. Fourth personal foul.
Bong!
13 foul.
Ikaw, ano oras ko uwi? Ayaw pa umuwi. Ang sasabayin ko, konyot ang kita dyan.
Uy, si Bobo yan oh. Si Bobo yung sweet.
Rebound by Domingo. Out of bounds. Same ball. Substitution. James Capigao replacing Eugene Villar. Jared Carrion replacing Joseph Benalumo. Shot clock at 18 seconds.
Saan? Agad mo ako saan? Uwi na.
Last 1 minute. 15 to shoot. Basket count for jersey number 11, Dionisio.
Saan uwi mo na ako?
Foul on jersey number 8, Roque. First personal foul, third team foul. Bonus shot for Dionisio.
Uwi.
57 seconds.
57 seconds remaining for third quarter. Bonus shot is good.
Sige.
25 seconds.
Baka na di nga natin kasabi papunta dito.
45 seconds. Rebound by Bartolo. 40 seconds.
Pag na-shoot dito ang itim, pwede sila mang timeout ha.
15 to shoot. 30 seconds.
Push foul rep.
Foul on jersey number 8. Roque. Another timeout. Second personal foul for team foul on jersey number 8.
Eh rito ma-timeout yung white eh.
Ay, huwag na tao po.
28 seconds. 10 to shoot. 3! Jersey number 18, Domingo. 20 seconds. RJ Umali. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 1.6 seconds. 1.6 seconds. End of the third quarter. Pinapati ko nga pala si Jared alias Bingbo. Makikinig na yun sa live na nag-shoutout ka. Ang pogi ng Central Gus. Pinapati ko nga pala, Bingbo talaga.
Ano kala mo, kainin ka? Dito kainin ka eh.
Ang ina di Kuya Joe, di pa rin na binabayaran ng putang taon sa putik.
Basta tayo, basta. Basta tayo, basta. Fourth quarter.
Sama mo na lang sana na bukas.
Tayo nyo lang. Pag muna yun, hindi nyo na makikita.
Eh, same story to punta lang.
Susunod nyo siya.
Eric, invest lang hindi ka ba?
Atik yan, boy.
Pasensya na araw natin. Ciao.
Galing ako sa bayan ah.
Oo nga, bukas ako. Sundan mo lang. Nanalo ba yung Strota? Strota mo. Strota mo.
Fourth quarter.
Tatanggin po lang ako. Sab daw.
Substitution. Eugene Villar replacing James Capigao.
Wala daw sila eh.
Sino?
Dali tayo, wala.
Bakit?
Negats daw. Papa, ano daw na sila.
15 to shoot. Rebound by Bartolo. Bartolo, Basto Villar.
Dinadagdagan yung gasolina.
Basto Villar. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound by 2 points by Bartolo. Grabe swerte ng anak. RJ Umali.
Di mo ba alam? Di mo alam?
Lalaro din, sigaw-sigaw.
10 to shoot.
Madami kami picture niya. Wala pa kami picture.
Eugene Villar. Rebound by Bartolo.
San? Saan punta?
Serve time tayo, Chow, ha?
15 to shoot.
Time out tayo, time out.
Terra Team Akla. Under 8 minutes and 16 seconds. Win as score 61 to 53. Up by 8 by your team.
Saan? Di nakaano ah.
Tama ka, 61.
Back to the ball game. Oh,
Gog.
malamig. Bakang relasyon namin. Eight minutes and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. Shot clock reset. RJ Umali. 8 minutes. Seven minutes and 50 seconds. Rebound by Umali.
Reset!
15 to shoot. Black and Power jersey number 1, Aira Baluyot. First personal foul, first team foul, shot clock at 14 seconds. 10 to shoot. Still by Domingo. Still by Santos. Foul on jersey number 31, Eugene Villar. Number Eugene Villar. 5 fouls. Shot clock resets at 14 seconds. Binabati ko nga pala ng magandang gabi ang SK Chairperson na sa Tosa kayo, Pamubulakan. Evelyn Robles, still by Baluyot. Aira Baluyot. 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Traveling violation. Binabati ko nga po ulit ng magandang gabi ang SK Chairperson ng Pombong Bulacan, Santo Rosario, Maybelline Robles. Magandang gabi po, SK Chairman. Last 7 minutes. 2 points by Bartolo. Injury timeout.
Kita mo yung kulay green. Wala naman ako.
Di layup naman siya.
Okay ka lang ba, Coach Bartolo?
Dala siya muna to. O, ikaw na.
6 minutes and 55 seconds. 55 to 65. Shot block by Bartolo. Substitution. Shot clock at 20 seconds. Two points by Abu Bakar, assisted by Roque. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Shot clock at 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Rebound by Santos. RJ Umali. Fifteen to shoot. Five to shoot. Rebound by Roque.
Reserve. Time out. Winnie James.
RJ Umali. Timeout. Winnie the James. Under 5 minutes and 37 seconds. Our official score is 65 to 61. 5 minutes and 37 seconds.
Dalawa ka. Dalawa. Hindi naman nagamit yung sector. Hindi naman nagamit yung si bonus yan. Gets mo ba? Hindi nagamit yung time at everything. Kasama na dito. Nagamit. Hindi mo nilagay.
Back to the ball game. Magandang gabi po, SK Chairperson Maybelline Robles. Kailan buligan natin? Tsaka. Kataga din ako.
Excited na naman doon.
White ball. Substitution. Two points by Roque, assisted by Santos.
Sino Santos? 76.
15 to shoot.
Double foul.
Foul tayo number 14.
Foul on jersey number 14
Foul tayo number 76.
and jersey number 76.
Sila. Apat na.
Cantos, first personal foul. Third team foul.
Third. Tatlo pa lang.
Santos, third personal foul. First team foul. Shot clock resets at 14 seconds. Ten to shoot. Last 5 minutes. Still by Umali. Block by Dionisio. Black ball. 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Score is 63 to 65. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Warning na to si San.
Foul on jersey number 4, Umali. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Shot clock resets at 14 seconds. Rebound by Bartolo. Rebound by Bartolo. Rebound by Jodricio. Foul on jersey number 14, Cantos. Second personal foul. 14 foul. 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Reset!
10 to shoot.
Discarte mo na!
5 to shoot. Still by Domingo.
Magaganyan.
Aya Baluyo. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound by Bartolo. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Still by Roque. 2 points by Abu Bakar. Assisted by Umali. Foul on jersey number 8. Sana Team Akla. Third personal foul on jersey number 8.
Number 4. Mali. Oh, Mali. Partner nga, technical, number 4.
White in jersey. Timeout, Team Akla. Waiting for technical foul on jersey number 4. RJ Umali for center number 4.
Warning for disqualification.
3 minutes and 3 seconds. Back to the ball game. Under 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Two shots for Bartolo.
Wala pa po. Score up.
Apat lamang namin, nag-ano lang.
Nakashoot tong kabila. Nakashoot si Abo.
Nag-shoot ka mo, nag-shoot.
Last 3 minutes. There's a whistle, foul on jersey number 1, Bartolo. First personal foul, penalty. Penalty.
Kakatulak ka na po daw. Wala pa naman.
Ayun po.
First personal po kanina.
Next stop po.
Tapos kanina nagkasabay tayo. Dire-diretso yung foul. Double foul. Doon nagmulati.
Rebound by white ball. Shot clock at 14 seconds. 65 to 63.
Wala nang nagbibid. 68. 68, Kuya Joe.
68, 68, 68, 68, 65. Shot lang at 14 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Wala.
Nalata. Isa lang, isa lang.
Ten minutes and 40 seconds. 15 to shoot.
Bola.
10 to shoot.
Layo, Ra!
5 to shoot. Shot clock reset. 10 to shoot. White ball. Same ball. Shot clock at 19 seconds. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. 2 points by Roque. Isa na lang po ang lamang. Last 2 minutes. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rebound by Roque. Rebound by Umali. Basket not count. Foul on jersey number 11, Dionisio. Second personal foul. Penalty. 1 minute and 28 seconds.
Jay, dalawa, Jay!
Apo. Third pa lang po, third.
Isa pa time.
Sa kabila.
Pa, Jay!
Sa kabila, tinatanong. Ano po guys, tayo mo sa kabila. Isa na lang ano ko dyan.
Tama ka, bawal. Pasok! Defensa!
Isa pa po yung time mo dyan.
Uli!
15 to shoot. 3! Ayla Paluyo! 1 minute and 5 seconds. 15 to shoot. 6-7. Still by Cantos. Ayla Paluyo! Timeout, team Akla. 51 seconds.
Sabi ko 3 rap. 51 seconds. Sa 14 daw sila.
14.
14 daw yung bond.
14 inbound. Ano ba? Ilang seconds?
51. Sabi nila 14 lang daw, rep. 14 lang daw po, 14 lang. Dito lang sila sa
Inbound, 14 seconds. 51, 51. 13 seconds shot clock.
penalty pa yung kabila. Ang kabila, penalty.
Lang naman kami isa kanina eh. Mga 3 point ka.
Ilan ba?
Kasi sila isa.
Wala na silang timeout.
15 seconds. Rebound by Baluyot. 45 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 to shoot. Rebound by Abu. 30 seconds.
Tatlo pa lang.
Foul jersey number 1. Okay. Ira Baluyot. 28 seconds.
28.
Bartolo pala.
Hindi ba't ka nagagalit?
Pag na-shot daw, time out
28 seconds. Rebound by Domingo.
Wala pa po. Court pa lang.
Warning.
Foul on jersey number 24, Makabe.
Second.
Second personal foul. 14 foul. 27 seconds. 27 seconds. 27 seconds.
Tumatakbo nga, hindi pinagpapawisan eh.
20 seconds. Steal by Abu. 15 seconds. Foul jersey number 11.
Baluyot, Paul.
Penalty. 10 seconds.
Wala na silang timeout kabila.
Time out pala pa kabilang din pala.
Wala na nga sila.
Wala na.
Bigyan mo.
Pag na-shot na yung pangalawa.
Ba't ka nagagalit?
Our score is 70 to 73.
Wait, 70.
70.
Rebound by Santos. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. And